Because only a couple of weeks ago, there was the AI bubble pop. Well, right now, stocks are about to make new highs, okay? So we can say we've swerved that risk for sure. There was the yen carry trade unwind. Well, we saw the Bank of Japan raise the rates by all 3/4 of a percentage point. And again, the markets don't care. The VIX, as you can see, doesn't look anything like the tariff tantrum panic or the yen carry trade unwind the first time around. So I think we can say we swerved that risk as well. The inflation is sticky narrative, or, not releasing the data. I also think we swerved that, okay? They released some CPI. Of course, it's probably always manipulated, but it doesn't really matter. We just have to take what we can get. And at the moment, we saw inflation is not sticky. It was significantly below expectations, continuing that disinflationary trend. We also saw unemployment come out and no real changes to that. I mean, still creeping up, still heading towards recession, et al. But all of this is seemingly baked into the cake and the markets don't care, right? So we've already kind of done this. We have already swerved the risks out there, ready for every man and his dog to say, okay, well, we didn't need to be bearish. That was unjustified. And the reason we don't need to be bearish now is because easing and stimulus and QE and rate cuts are all coming to drive animal spirits and the markets higher. So that's what I expect to see starting right now for this Santa rally. The top callers are finally going to capitulate. How can you be jumping up and down and screaming yen carry trade unwind or AI bubble pop if the markets continue to print new highs? They're going to be forced to accept, okay, maybe it was wrong or early to be bearish here, and it's time to expect higher prices driven by liquidity and conditions that are only going to improve. And then, of course, that's when we rug them all, okay? Early next year, we see the tops come in, the recession, and we head for those 4-year cycle lows in late 2026.